Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mousse cake. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. A good mousse cake starts with a solid foundation, so prepare your cake base, whether it's a delicate sponge or a crunchy cookie crust. Having your tools, like a chilled mixing bowl, will make the process much smoother. This preparation step is crucial for a successful and delicious dessert. Next, let's create that luscious mousse. Gently melt your chocolate, ensuring it's smooth and free of lumps, then let it cool slightly. While that cools, whip your heavy cream to soft peaks. The key here is to stop just before it gets too stiff. Then, carefully fold the cooled chocolate into the whipped cream. This two-step folding process helps maintain the airy texture, giving you a light and delightful mousse. Now it's time to bring everything together. Line an 8-inch springform pan with parchment paper, then carefully place your cake base at the bottom. Next, pour the mousse mixture evenly over the base, spreading it gently to the edges. Once assembled, the most important step is patience. Refrigerate your mousse cake for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, let it chill overnight. This ensures it sets perfectly and holds its beautiful shape. Finally, the moment of truth. Gently release your mousse cake from the springform pan and peel away the parchment. Now comes the fun part, decorating. You can add elegant chocolate shavings, vibrant fresh berries, or a simple dusting of cocoa powder to make it truly shine. Slice it with a warm knife for clean cuts and serve immediately. This beautiful dessert is sure to impress. And for more great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below, along with other fantastic finds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.